Did you accidentally delete an important Facebook message? Maybe business chats, personal conversations, or proof messages? And now you think it's permanently gone? Wait, because today I'll show you Facebook's official built-in recovery method that lets you download and recover deleted messages on both Android and iPhone. No fake apps, no risky tools, only the real method Facebook provides. So watch till the end. One wrong step can make you miss your data. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prayophony, your trusted channel for real tech solutions and social media recovery guides. I've helped many users recover old Facebook data, chats, photos, and account information. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to download your Facebook data and restore deleted messages safely. Let's start. Step-by-step Facebook message recovery process. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. Step 2. Go to Menu. Tap the profile icon, 3 lines as menu, on the right side. Scroll down. Step 3. Open Settings. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Enter Meta Account Center. Now scroll and tap on Meta Account Center. This is where Facebook stores all your personal data controls. Step 5. Access your information. Inside Account Center, tap on your information and permissions. Before we jump in, if you want more Facebook tips, account recovery tutorials, and data protection guides, make sure you subscribe to Prayophony and turn on notifications. Now let's recover your messages. Step 6. Export your information. Now tap on Export your information. Then select Create Export. This option lets you download everything connected to your Facebook account. Step 7. Choose Export Location. Select Export to Device. This means the file will be downloaded directly to your phone. Step 8. Customize Information. Now tap on Customize Information. Here you can choose what data you want. You have 2 options. Select Messages Only, Recommended, or select all information if you want everything. For message recovery, choose Messages. Step 9. Select Date Range. Now tap on Date Range. Choose the time period you want. For example, last 6 months, last year, or custom date range. Select according to when your messages were deleted. Step 10. Select File Format. Now choose File Format. You'll see 2 options. HTML, best for normal users. JSON for developers. Recommendation. Choose HTML because easy to open. Works in any browser, easy to read messages. Step 11. Select Media Quality. Now choose Media Quality. Options: high, medium, low. If you want clear photos and videos, select High Quality. Keep in mind, higher quality, bigger file size. Step 12. Start Export Process. Now tap on Start Export. Facebook will ask for your password. Enter your Facebook password. Now Facebook starts preparing your data. This may take a few minutes or several hours, sometimes up to 24 hours, depending on how much data you have. Once ready, Facebook will notify you. Step 13. Download your messages. When export is ready, go back to Export Your Information section. Tap Download. Now open the downloaded file. Inside you'll find deleted messages, old chats, shared photos, videos, conversation history, everything stored by Facebook. Remember, Facebook can only recover messages that were previously backed up, still stored on Facebook servers. If messages were permanently deleted long ago, they may not be recoverable. So always download your data regularly. Now you know how to recover deleted Facebook messages using Facebook's official export system on both Android and iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, share it with friends. Subscribe to Prayophony, because here we don't guess. We solve real tech problems. See you in the next powerful tech video.